So I already put these in the other day, but I had bought the converter kit from AlphaRex, but it didn't fit on my truck because I had the STX or whatever, and it wasn't for my model. So the LED lights that I had did not fit or whatever. So I had to actually get the 8.7s. Had to order some. So instead of me having to go right here and take all this off or pull it back and try to put my hands into the back of that part, which is it's a little difficult. I'm just going to take everything off and kind of show y'all how to take off your headlight assembly, especially if you had the stock one. You can watch the video and basically see what you have to take off, and it's not really that hard. You actually don't need that many tools. You just need some time, and I don't have a garage or anything, so right in front of my house. But you just need this to pop off the caps, the clips. I usually use my power wrench, little handheld one. I have a universal socket as well. I have an 8-inch one as well, because one of the nuts are kind of hard to pop off. But yeah, about to start. First thing I did was unhook the negative cable. You know, for safety. Sorry. Right here. Also with the AlphaRex, when you get the sequential, or for the daytime running lights to be on all the way, you have this gray wire that comes with it. You put it into the fuse. I think it's number 36. That's like a 10 fuse, and that's actually better than putting it into the 10 fuse, which is a 5. At first I used the 5 just to see, and it wasn't as bright, but as soon as I put it in the 10, it was like really bright. So that makes a difference. But unhook the battery. Next, you want to unhook the clips, the retainer. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I messed up this one last time. That's 11, 12, 13, and 14. So there's 14 of those. And you basically want to take this cover off and make sure you don't lose the clips. Messed this one up the first time by pulling it out. I didn't have a tool or anything. I was just kind of winging it a little bit. But now I got all the clips off. Basically just lift this up. Move it off. Put it to the side. Put it right there. Now, the next thing is there on each side, just a little fender part. There are 2 screws on each side. Take them off, and then you pop this out. So I got it loose a little bit, and you just go along. See? And you just put it to the side. Okay, so for the grill, it's this one. This go right here. I think that's the 8-inch. There's another one right here. Then it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Also, you want to pop this off, unplug this, and then you'll be able to pull the grill out. Had to do a little tugging, but got it off. Yeah, you just put that to the side. So now it's just taking off the headlights, which is to take it off. You have to take off. You have to unbolt this one right here. Pop this out. It just comes straight out. Also, this bolt right here, and this one right here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this, and that's on both sides. So on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so got everything off. Now put them out. Put everything out. I'm not gonna take out the wires, but now I have to go in here and basically take out the old ones, the whole halogens, and put in the LEDs. So I'm doing that for the high beam, which is right there, the low beams. Okay, so this one will be for the high beam, and this one will be for the low beams. So as you see, I had to take it off because, man, getting in there is rough. Like I have big hands, so I can't really get up in there. So I had to actually do like, take this a piece and then take this piece, pull it to the side, lift it up, and taking the old ones is out. The halogens is easy, but the LED, especially if it's like big like this one, it's a little rough to get in there if you have big hands. You got little hands and you ain't got no problem, but man, it did take me a little bit longer than expected, but they're both in. I'm gonna do the other side the same way, and then I will put them back in, and put the battery, connect the battery back, and see what they look like. So I have them in. I'm about to put everything back together and check them out. Okay, so have it on, have everything back into place. So I will put the headlights on now. Can't really see good, but it's good. The flickering is not because the headlights, it's because it's still be light out. Turn the high beams on. Number 2. Go for it good.